Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. This YouTube page is not monetized yet, so if you are somebody who wants to help in financial way so that we can make really good high quality videos in Setswana, you can visit our Patreon page. I will leave the link down below. So yeah, let's get to the lesson. Hey, tada! Oops! Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today I will be teaching you guys slang. So Setswana slang is actually words that are taken from many different languages. And some languages are just kind of made up. So it's just like code words. It's just like Setswana, but it's our own thing. So I'm going to be teaching you some of the slang here. Don't be surprised when you hear more of the slang if you are in Botswana. So the first word or the first slang words that you should know is how young people or like people who are friends greet each other. So the first greeting, there's a few of greetings here. The first greeting is like Vaseda. Vase. Vase is like, yo, what's up? I think it was adopted from the Afrikaans language. So I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm just thinking. I don't speak Afrikaans. So yeah, Vase. And then we have Eitada. Eitada is the most common one. Like you hear people say Eita, Eita, hey, Eita. Like that's, yeah. So slang also doesn't necessarily have to be used among friends. Like for example, if we are in a bus rank, you hear people might use slang to you. They might say "eta," just so know that they're saying "Hey, how are you?" or "Hi, what's up?" You know, something like that. And then we have "Hola, hola da, hola my gang, hola, hola." Hola, I think it was taken from Spanish. I say that because I live in the US, and when I hear Spanish speakers, when they greet each other, they say hola. So I'm like, maybe it was taken from the Spanish, or maybe just made up from, I don't know. So to say you are fine, you're good, you just say sharp, like a sharp knife, but yeah. I think I talked about this before. Hey, chapeau fair, like a chapeau fair. Like that can mean a whole lot of things. It's when somebody's greeting, Vase, hey, sharp. Eta, hey, sharp. Hola, hey, sharp. Le sharp. Like, are you okay? I'm good, I'm okay. Que sharpo. Que sharp, I'm not good. Yeah. Que sharp is being abused, or sharp is being abused. The other thing when you say I don't have a problem, or I don't have, or it's a problem. Problem is called smoke. Hey, smoke again. That what's the problem? Hagona smoke. No problem. So smoke, I think, was taken from English, like smoke. I don't know. Like I don't know the origin of the slang, but I know a lot of Botswana use this on a regular. So don't be surprised when you hear people speaking Setswana, but you're like, what are these other words? And then Spani is work. I guess Spani, I'm not working. Gaspana, I work. Hey, Gaspana blind. Oh, that's the other. Let me just add one here. Blind. Spani is work. Straighter is time. Yeah, like hey. Matako tshamekisa straighter sa rona. So it's time. Yeah, straight. And then we have skat. Skat is also time. I think it was taken from Zulu language. So I think they use skat for time, but you can also use it as a slang in Setswana. So this is not, it's neither formal or informal. Like don't use it on a official whatever kind of setting. It's like on the streets. Yeah, this is like the street deep in the street language. So you meet somebody, hey, ke skati mana? Ah no, skati. Hey, mana skati se vail. So like, oh, that's another word. Maybe I should add. Va. And then we have Nustru. Nustru, I don't know. I don't know if that's like an informal, but I know it's also used as a slang. It's just like when somebody is telling the absolute truth, they'll be like, "Hey, Nustru, Nustru," like you know, like this is 100% true. So Nustru. And then we have Makwalo. Makwalo is food. It's eating. Like, hey, hakena makwalo. Somebody will say, ke kwalegile, just to say I'm hungry. This is like this the word in the street. So makwalo. Hey, halna makwalo down. And then there one word that I added is blind. Blind is it's like emphasizing something like ke go it's blind, like I miss you so much. Yeah. Blind is like so much. I know you. If you're like an English speaker, you're probably thinking, "What is this guy saying?" So, but blind is like a slang in Setswana that emphasize so much. Kespana blind, like I work so hard or so much. You sharp blind, he's so good. It's like an emphasizing, like, yeah, very very good. And then we have va. Va is like gone or go. Arvai. Va. Revaile. Va. Like, it. It's a slang that even has past tense and present tense. So, gavaz means I'm going. Gevaile means I'm gone. Uh, yeah. So, ravaya is like we are going. Oh, yeah. Somebody took their time to like perfect the slangs. So that's the slang in Setswana. You will hear a lot of this in the street, especially when you are out there, like on a, I don't know, bus rank, and anywhere you go, anywhere you are, really, at the soccer games, whatever, football. So you will hear a lot of these words that I'm telling you right now. So do not forget them, and they're actually really really cool, especially if you're a foreigner. You go to somebody and say, "Hey, Vaseda," and they're like, "Ooh, yeah, that's the streets for you." So the streets will be good to you if you use the slang. Go fetela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Ke a va. Salang sharp. That's how I say it in slang. But go fetela re kopana mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle.